Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. All right, lesson 83, properties of geometric solids. So you can see here that we've got some 3D shapes that you are going to draw. You're going to want to look in your book on page 540 to see how to draw these shapes 3D. So here we have a cube, then we have a rectangular prism, then we have a pyramid. This one is a cylinder. It's like the shape of a can of soup. Then there's a sphere, like the globe, and a cone, like your party hat. And here we have 3 definitions. The first definition is faces, which is flat surfaces of rectangular prisms and pyramids. Then we have edges, where 2 faces meet. And then we have a vertex, which is where 3 edges meet. So here is a big 3D shape of a cube. These dotted lines are lines that you wouldn't actually see because they would be there would be other things in the way. So this is a vertex. It is a point where 3 of the edges meet. This is a face, which is a flat side of the cube, and then this is an edge, okay, like the edge of a cube. So in this 3D shape right here, which is going to be referred to in example 1, it has the star, is, I'm not going to, the name of this shape is one of these. I drew it better here though. And here you can see that the line segments AB and CD are parallel because they're on the same plane and they remain the same distance apart, no matter how this shape would move. If it would be tilted up, if it would be tilted sideways, they would stay the same distance apart. You can also see that CD and CE are perpendicular because they are on the same plane and they intersect at right angles right here. And you can also see that AG and EH, so AG here and EH here, are skew because they are on different planes and they do not intersect. This line right here, AG, and this line back here, EH or HE, would never touch because they are not even on the same plane. So example 1A. Name the shape with the star, this shape right here. What shape is this? It is a rectangular prism.
Hello, teachers and students. Please excuse the interruption. All student council members, please...
And B, how many faces does it have? So let's count the faces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 faces on a rectangular prism. Example 2, what is the shape of a basketball? The shape of a basketball is a sphere because it is it's like looks round, but it's like a 3D, like a ball. That's called a sphere. Example 3, name this shape and identify its congruent parts. This shape is called a pyramid, and it has 4 congruent triangular faces. Excuse me. They are 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 congruent triangular faces because they're all the same shape and size. And example 4, name this shape and identify its congruent parts. This is a cylinder, and its congruent parts that are the same shape and the same size is the top flat surface and the bottom flat surface. Please make sure that you look in your book on page 540 and 541 to help you. If you have any questions about this, then just come tomorrow prepared with your questions and I will be happy to help you. Make sure you also do lesson practice A through M tonight for homework. Have a great day.